Hey guys, Team Tanya, and today we're launching a new series called Connects. So, in the comments down below, ask me what you want to build, and today I'm going to build a clock tower. So you get 2 sticks, the grey ones, and you see these red ones here, take them off, and then say this is the right one, go like this, and then for the left one it'll be like this, and then you'll have another big grey stick, connect these together. So, I can't do this. There we go. There you go. Wait, I should make it a bit smaller. Wait, let's have a yellow stick instead. Okay. Here you go. Connects. Right. This is like the bit. Oh wow. Stop going like that. Right, good. Look. Now we're gonna. Oh god, this is hard, right? So we got that so far. You should have this if you're doing this. You should have this so far. Okay. Then you get a green one and a blue one. Right, got these. Wait, right. And you put this. Where do I put it? I forgot. Oh, it's the wrong way. Damn it. Right, 2 green ones and a blue one. Right. And they should be facing this way. So like that. And then you need a blue one. Facing up. Right. Blue one. Alright, now we need a red one, so like this. You should have this. I'm going to stick this onto here. And stick this onto here. And there's like your bit. This is what you got so far. And then you need one of these, I think. Wait, you don't need one of them, guys. I'm so stupid. Okay. You need this. And a yellow one, I think. Wait, I need a blue one. Alright, I got a blue one, guys. Wait, what the hell am I doing? Right, stick this on properly. Right, there you go. Gorgeous. Get this. Boom. Now I have another orange one. Should have this. And then you go to this. And then twist it. So it goes in this. I should have that. And then do exactly the same. So by you a bit. Actually pull this up a bit, guys. Up to the green thing like that. Then you do exactly the same, so get a blue stick thingy, get 2 orange ones, and I'm sorry if you can't really see the build, but I'll show you at the end. Right, you stick this on here, put this down a bit, right, perfect, bam, bam. Alright, here you need another orange one, which is here. Get this off. Here you go. Then you place it on. Right. I nearly got it. Here you go. Got it. Perfect. Now you need. What do I need now? I forgot. Oh yeah. I didn't remember. You need to like get okay, guys, you need a green one. Stick it onto here if you can. Right, wait, guys, I'll do it. Here you go. And then oh wow, you need a really small white one. This one. Hang that down here. and use this. Wait, what the hell am I doing now? Oh yeah, look guys, I'm nearly done. Okay guys, I'm nearly done, I promise. I promise. Alright. This is gonna look so weird. Alright. Guys, you should have guessed literally on you. So look at, right. It is gonna be right, get this all off, get this white off. And now look, 12:30. 12:30. Okay, that's how you make like a clock thingy. And hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to join Team Curry 10, and please comment down below what ones you want me to do next. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and peace.